In the early 1950s, a young African American named Linda Brown was a student in the Topeka, Kansas school district. She lived next to a white school named the Sumner School. She had to walk far to go to her black school. She walked past the Sumner School thinking, "Why can't I go there if it is a better and closer school to my house?" Linda Brown felt the Board of Education violated the 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. The 14th Amendment states, "No state shall deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws." Because of this, Brown's family, with the help of the NAACP, took her case to the United States District Court for the District of Kansas. She lost the case because the court felt that the school did not violate the 14th Amendment. They said separate facilities were okay as long as they were equal. The NAACP appealed. The case then went to the Supreme Court of the United States. Brown's case got mixed with several other similar cases across the country. This case would become one of the most important in the history of the United States Supreme Court.
In 1954, the Supreme Court ruled unanimously in favor of Linda Brown. Justice White delivered the opinion of the court. He began by saying, "Today, education is perhaps the most important function of state and local governments.